up, you bald-headed hoes? This is part 2 to the last video that I just posted, okay? Baby girl came in for a takedown. We take down a wash, blow dry, hair trim, and then we put these Faux Locs individuals back in. Now, when I say this hairstyle came out cute, it came out motherfucking cute. So y'all stay tuned for the results and watch it from the beginning to the end. And if you could like, comment, leave a heart, leave a star. Go follow my Instagram at Beauty of Royalty so y'all can see my classy photos of all my hairstyles that I've done so far, okay? Now, I want to dive right into this because this happened today and I was not feeling it. So let's go ahead and have a story time and y'all grab y'all some popcorn or some corn nut, whatever y'all like biting and chewing on. Okay, so I'm at the shop and I'm doing hair. We doing hair or whatever, okay, at the shop today. So the next client come in, and when I tell you, the vibe was off. The vibe was all the way off. And I tend to not like that. I don't like you coming into my shop and your attitude is off. If it's off, baby girl, stay home, okay? Reschedule your appointment. If you're not in the mood, please don't come sit in my chair because I can feel your energy. Your energy matters to me when you come and get your hair done because it makes me not want to do your hair. Now, I am going to say that it wasn't none of my clients. It was, the other person, the other stylist client that did this. But she came in and, I could just feel it, in my heart, my soul, my mind, my body. Something is off with this client. Now, mind you, she came and she stood by the door. She didn't even come in. And I thought that was a red flag. I thought that this was a P. Diddy move. But I was like, I ain't gonna even think it. I'm just gonna ignore it or whatever. So when she comes in, it's like she gave everybody a dry high. Girl, don't come in my salon and giving me dry highs. It makes me look at you weird. There's no reason for you to have an attitude. What do you have an attitude for? You just walked in the door. We don't even know you. It's your first time visiting Beauty of Royalty, and you coming in with this negative energy. We don't do that in here, baby girl. So I need you to go back outside and recheck yourself and come back in. So I don't know if she has something going on at home. I don't know what happened to baby girl. But what I got to say is don't come up in Beauty or Royalty with this type of attitude because I'm not feeling it and I'm not digging it. So when she came in, you could tell we all got quiet. Now, when the whole salon get quiet and ain't nobody talking no more, you know what's up. You're making everybody feel uncomfortable. And now the space don't even feel welcoming for anybody to even want to have a conversation because now you got a little funky attitude. And baby girl, nobody got no time for it. So after she sat in the chair or whatever, she was saying little stuff to the stylist or whatever. And I felt as though she was being rude and she didn't know how to hold herself. Or I don't know. But I just didn't like it. So I'm saying all of this to say is when you come in a room, if you're not in the mood, baby, you need to stay at home. You go back home with that attitude. Don't come sitting up in my chair with no bad negative energy. I don't want to do your hair if you're not in the mood because you're going to throw me off. Then now I got to be in the same mood you in and we both acting funny while I'm doing your hair. And I don't want to be acting funny with my client while I'm doing your hair. I don't. So with that being said, if you need to reschedule your appointment because you got an attitude about something that happened at home because your baby daddy didn't come home last night, or because you got to pay all the bills and everybody in the house ain't helping you, or because you just lost your job, or because you ain't got no edges, or because you got a bald spot, I don't know. And I honestly, deep down inside, I don't care. I don't care what you got going on. I don't. My job is to do your hair. That's my job. That's what I signed up for, is to do your hair. Not to be your therapist, not to baby you, not to question you, nothing, none of that. I didn't sign up for that. So, if you're not in the mood, don't come to Beauty or Royalty. Go see your therapist. Go call your mama. Go talk to your kid. Go to the grocery store. Go get a massage. Go get some head. I don't know. Go do what you need to do because you shouldn't be coming up in. And you have the audacity to be a grown-ass woman at this. And my thing is, if you having a bad day, just say it. Just let us know you're not in the mood today. So that way, we won't feel like what's going on. Because baby girl was acting like P. Diddy. Like she was up to no good. And I'm like, girl, you at the wrong place. You should have been at Diddy house, not at Beauty or Royalty. So I want y'all to comment down below and let me know, have y'all ever experienced somebody doing that, when they walk in the room, their presence, it just changed the whole vibe, because it's not cool. It's not. And I honestly think people should tell people about themselves when they are acting like that, because that's not cute. It made her look ugly and her hairstyle look ugly. And don't take me there, because I will go there with you, okay? And I be trying to be nice to y'all. I be trying to be nice, but y'all be taking me there. And I'm trying to be civil. I'm trying. I be praying and I do what I do, but y'all be taking me there, and I'll be like, you know what? I'm gonna have a Beauty or Royalty Academy where I'm putting y'all in check, because y'all don't know how to carry yourself when y'all walk in the door. Just come in, say hi, sit down, and if you don't want to talk, then shut up and be quiet, because I ain't making you talk if you don't want to talk. I might ask you a few little questions, get to know you a little bit. Once I get what I need, then there's no reason for us to even have a conversation, okay? But if you want to vent and you want to let me know some stuff, you can tell me some stuff. I'm listening. And I promise you I ain't going to remember nothing you said. Because you know why? Because I don't care. Girl, I got stuff going on in my head. I got things that I'm thinking about, that I'm talking about in my head, while you telling me about you. I'm thinking about me. I'm thinking about all the stuff I got to do when I get off of work. You telling me about your life. You think I'm listening? Sometimes I do be listening. I ain't gonna lie to you. Sometimes I do. Now, with all that being said, this is the outcome. Y'all bald-headed hoes, book your appointment today and stop playing, okay? Because baby girl is cute.